Hello everyone. Today we are here with another grammar topic, that is nouns number. You can see on your slide the nouns can be counted and uncountable. The nouns which can be counted are called as countable noun, and noun which cannot be counted are called as uncountable noun. Cannot be counted means milk, money, gold, like this you can not count them. Okay, so these countable and uncountable nouns are changed into number, that is singular and plural. When a countable noun stands for one person or thing, it is called as singular noun, and when a countable noun stands for more than one thing, it is called as plural noun. Example: book, books, cow, cows, doll, dolls, eye, eyes, flag, flags. Like this, many singular nouns are converted into plural noun, that are called as noun number. So, to make a singular noun into plural noun, there are some rules. Now, we are going to see that rules. There are different ways to change the singular noun into a plural noun. Now these rules or these ways we are going to see. Many singular nouns are changed into plural noun by just adding s at the last. So, which are these nouns? Actor, actors, book, books, cow, cows, doll, dolls. Like this, just by adding s, these singular nouns are changed into plural nouns. For singular countable noun ending with y. Now be careful, now here the rules are starting. Y means if countable noun is ending with y, it is also changed into plural by just adding s at the last. But it is different with for singular countable noun with ending with s, which is ending with s, noun, double s, x, sh or ch, they are made plural by adding es at the last. Now this is important rule: s, ss, x, sh and ch, these like this type of word which are ending with these alphabets, so they are made plural with by adding es at the last. For example, beach, beach is ending with ch. So, beaches, bush, bushes, sh is there at the last, see, bush, es is added, fox, foxes, x is there, so it is made plural with singular countable noun ending with consonant o. Now we have studied consonants and vowels much back. So now consonant, you very well know which is consonants, what are consonants. So ending in consonants, they add es at the last. So, tomato, tomatoes, o is at the last, es is added. Potato, o is at the last, so potatoes, it is ending with, it is made plural by ending es. Now next is singular countable noun which is ending with the consonant y. Now first one was ending with consonant o, now here consonant ending with consonant y, which is ending with consonant y, it is changed into ies. Pastry, pastries, ies, pastry, it is ending with y. So, ies is added to make it plural. Army, armies, baby, babies. Like this, many words are there which are ending with the consonant y. So, they are changed into plural by adding ies. It is for singular countable noun ending with f or fe, they are changed into ves, means by adding ves they are changed into plural. What are these? Which type of nouns these are? Knife. So knives, it is changed into ies, ves, not ies, ves. Knife, knives. Thief, thieves, leaf, leaves, like these words. But this
changed.
F and EF, this rule is having exceptions also, means some words do not change according to these rules. Some words are drop, drops, S is added, IVS is not added, only F and S is added. After F, S is added. Roof, roofs, chief, chiefs. Some words do not follow the rules. So in front of you many examples are given: actor, actor, books, 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 cow, cows, doll, dolls, kite, kites, bus, buses, gas, gases, like this. Many examples are given. You can read from that slide, go through that slide and try to solve try to solve the examples according to the rules which is taught in this session. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel to get like this informative videos in future also.